Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make engaging reels with photos. We'll start by selecting a compelling theme that resonates with your audience. Then, gather your best high-quality photos, ensuring they visually support your chosen narrative. Finally, arrange these photos in a logical and flowing sequence to tell your story effectively. This foundational step is crucial for creating a captivating reel that truly stands out. Next, let's choose the right platform and tools. Popular options include Instagram, TikTok, or dedicated video editing apps like CapCut. Each platform offers unique features, so pick one that best suits your creative vision. Explore their built-in editing tools for seamless transitions, engaging effects, and text overlays. For more advanced customization, consider exploring third-party applications that provide a wider range of creative possibilities. Now, let's elevate your reel with music and text. Choose trending audio or royalty-free music that perfectly complements the mood and pace of your photos. Ensure the music volume is set appropriately, so it's audible but doesn't overpower your visuals. Incorporate concise and impactful text, overlays to add context, highlight key moments, or convey a powerful message. Aim for text that is easy to read and appears for at least 3 seconds. Finally, it's time to finalize and share your masterpiece. Before exporting, preview your reel several times to ensure smooth transitions, correct timing, and no errors. Export your finished reel in the highest possible quality, typically at 1080 pixels, to maintain visual clarity. When sharing, use relevant hashtags to increase discoverability and write a compelling caption that encourages engagement and tells a bit more about your story.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.